Welcome to the Gonto book. I am Jose. Shelly is in the house somewhere doing stuff. And I'm getting another box soon. Alright, here we go. What did I get? ES cubes? Easy Simple Cube. Easy Simple Cube. ES. Easy Simple Cubes. Easy Simple Cube. And the box is nice. It's not elaborate, but it's nice. So let's check this cube out. Let me bring it up. ES Cubes ES3 3x3 magnetic plus 20 magnet ball core plus UV coating. So, well, look at the box. Nice. 3x3, easy, simple cubes. Easy name. Nothing too elaborate. Let me get a thumbnail in there. Yeah, thumbnail, baby. Ooh. I like their logo too. That's on their cubes. Just one box. One little accessory box. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. First and foremost, I don't know what that is, but I think it's used to turn the knob to tighten the cube up. It has a glasses towel. They don't really have a card, but they do have something like this in there. It doesn't have a QRF code or anything. This tells you what version, I guess, you're in. But it's all in Chinese, so can't read it. And it came with, let's see if it's directions or how to solve the cube. It looks like how to solve the cube. And on the other side, a little bit about how to adjust it. It's all in Chinese, but at least they had pictures. And it came with a keychain. Oh, look at that. Nice. On the back side is the yellow face, and on this side is the white face with the logo. I kind of like that with the yellow face. I have the robot holding my keychain. Put that back in. I really don't need this box anymore. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I cleaned up my area. It's nice and clean. Ooh, I kind of like the way it looks. It looks a little bit like army green. More hunter green, but it was almost OD green, almost. Ooh, that's bright orange. I like the colors on this. And it's UV, which I like. Reminds me of my gang a little bit. The inside is kind of like gray. It's like a light gray. The individual pieces are its own color. I don't know if you can see that. Like this one would be yellow and orange in it. Wow, I like that. Wow. Let me see. A couple. I locked up a little bit. I like the way it turns. I'm going to tighten it up a little bit because look, I can almost stick my thumb all the way down in there. Right here on the flat, there's a little groove where you have to put some in there and poke it out, I guess. So not too easy to do. Each cube is different. It's all the same. You can't see any numbers on there. You know what? They're not that hard at all. It was just that one. It was my, I know how to take it out now. Alright. Yeah, I moved the settings where I don't like it. I should have kept it the same. I'm locking up now. So I'm not sure what I did because, like I said, I can't read the directions. So the cube itself is very nice. I like it. The UV coating is nice. It's nice and shiny. Not an elaborate box, but I don't care about that because it's still a nice box. It's just not an elaborate one. Easy, simple cube. Yeah, I like this one. It's not an S, but it's close to being an A. I don't know if I'm going to call it an A. Yeah, we'll just call it a B. I think it fits in there nicely. Yeah. Well, let me solve it. Here we go. Here we go. Let me look at it real quick. Alright. I'm going to try to solve it with white on the bottom. It always messes me up, but I have to learn. That goes, I got to turn, okay. So two are almost already set. My edges. Three minutes and 20. I can't believe it. If I do soon when it's all white, I have to do it like I think 5 or 6 times, and I get back to the white again, and that's how I practice. So I'm gonna see how long it takes me to do it under a minute. To do it in 5 or 6 tries, I forget how many times I have to do it. You ready? Here I go. 1, 2, 3, oops, yeah, 4, 5, 6, 24 seconds, 24.32, without making a mistake, which is good. Let's see if I can beat that. Let me write that down. That first one was 24.32. So if I divide that by how many times I did it, I can tell you what my average zoom is. So here we go. You guys ready? Ooh, that was fast. That was a good one. $18.9. 9.3. Cool. Yeah, I did that really fast. Better than I was doing before. Now I memorized it. So to end this video, this is a very nice cube with an easy simple cube it's called. So I still gotta work on my finger tricks, man. And I got plenty of time. I'm retired, so that's all I had. Without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.